don't, it's our job to repair you. And whether you hurt us or don't, it's your job to rehabilitate us. So, why do we have to get to that stage when we can stop it before it happens? Disagreement is not the problem. Making mistakes is not the problem. The problem is when you can't repair the damage you've done, or to prevent the damage you're about to do. In my military training, they told me, my instructors told me, the greatest generals are those who win wars without shooting a bullet. Those who win wars without shooting a bullet. Talk of bullets. You see wars in the world. Have you ever heard of the phenomenon of the military-industrial complex? The phenomenon of military-industrial complex. Weapons are commodities. And they are made in factories. And those commodities have to be consumed. When they are not consumed, the factories close down and people get unemployed. So how do you consume weapons? How do you consume weapons? You create wars. They create wars. We buy their weapons. We kill each other. Their industries go on. Here we go back begging. Do we manufacture BM in Uganda? No, but we deploy it. Do we make tanks? I'm told Mujira is trying to make some in Ruweru. But we deploy them. Do we make aircrafts? No, we deploy them. So does Rwanda, so does Congo, so does Burundi. And we are consuming all these warcrafts from people who make them, and we pay for that equipment. Chiriowa. And we paying Amin's debts for weapons he bought to kill us. Amin went and bought weapons, used them against us. And we, the survivors, are paying. So, Bwana, whatever you use against us or whatever we use against you, when we win, we shall pay. When you win, you will pay. So, the medicine is, let's not fight. Yeah, let's not fight. Let's tell us how to get back on track. Yeah. Tell us how to get back on track. Chego and I, we should also listen to them. That's the best way we shall get back on track. And then we shall all prosper. Then you will not have reason to bury me when you've killed me, when I can't fight anymore. I'm not going to fight with a gun now, but I still have my head. You know, one day, the late Pecos met General Kashaka, and in their discussion, Kashaka told General Pecos that two heads are better than one. Then Pecos said, yeah, two heads are better than one, except when the second one is yours. So let's put our two heads. Let's put our two heads. Tell us where we're going wrong. Let's also feel. In Kiswahili say kuhithi. Kuhithi. Let's feel your pain. Let's get to understand each other. Let's not get excited. Like Noop says, for us we are not going to be part of this thing of yours, iPod. But if you are not part of iPod, how shall we know when you are hungry? But I'm suffering from hunger. The man in the kitchen does not know you are hungry. How does he feed you? What you do is come to iPod, grab the stiletto and say, don't serve this one, you also give me. When you've given me soup without bread, I say, I also want bread. How come you are giving Rukwago meat and chicken? Say, treat us fairly. But if you are outside, nobody will listen to you. And this goes for all episodes in political struggle, including the struggle of Besigye. That Besigye should be tried in a court, condemned or absorbed is a right. It's a right. So when you, the department falls under you. DPP is under Chwanuka. Honestly, keeping a man in jail for 8 months, and you say he's guilty. You've not told us what it is. Tell us. Yes, I know he could be guilty as hell, but for as long as we don't know what he has done or not done, for us as laymen, in the court of public opinion, he's innocent. In the court of public opinion, he's innocent until you present him before us and you tell us what he has done. And all the others. No citizen should be incarcerated without fair trial. I've told you this. You may hate me, you may like it. That's up to you. As far as I'm concerned, nothing lost, nothing gained. Bye-bye.
A round of applause.
You and us ought to fight very hard to ensure that we don't slip back to what it was. Otherwise, that's why I told you that what we know, what you know, we know. What we know, you don't. We could see, ladies and gentlemen, cars don't overturn just like that. They veer off track. They are running straight, veer off track, and then overturn. Immediately you see your truck veering off track, bring back the steering. Don't fight us. Help us to get back on track. Because, yes, because when we fight in a civil war, there are no winners, there are no losers. We all get bruised. The winners have bruises, the losers have bruises. But when you bruise your brethren, it's your duty to take them to hospital. Whether we hurt you or don't, it's our job to repair you. And whether you hurt us or don't, it's your job to rehabilitate us. So, why do we have to get to that stage when we can stop it before it happens? Disagreement is not the problem. Making mistakes is not the problem. The problem is when you can't repair the damage you've done, or to prevent the damage you're about to do. In my military training, they told me, my instructors told me, the greatest generals are those who win wars without shooting a bullet.
So right, kulisizayo nnyo kuliko obwakedde makulisayo mu ggandalo lya weekend kansulenti nno ebintu byabatambulidde bulungi nnyo gwe yalufunyemu obuzibu Mukama Katonda agende mu maaso n'okubanga akusaasira. Oli ku Yugi Update TV kw'osinzira okubanga otuwuliriza gwe natanatweyungako kusabakirira wansi waliwo ekigambo subscribe kikooneko ojja kubanga osula bulungi nnyo otwegattako. Abali mu diaspora mbatumiddeko nnyo mukola kyamaanyi nnyo okutuninga Yugi Update TV. Kakati mbatereddeko obubaka obwo ng'obubaka obwekwejjukanya. Amanye abakulembeze bano naddala abali mu gavumenti abeefuula nti nno bali mu kulwanirira muntu wa bulijjo, bantu bangu nnyo okwerabira olw'okubanga balina kye baagala okuyisaawo. N'ebiseera ebisinga bagenda ne batemputinga bannansi ogenda mu maaso mu ekyo kye baagala bo basobole okubanga bawamba obuyinza. So twegendereze nnyo abakulembeze abatulumirirwa nga ebikolwa byabwe tetubiraba. Twagala nnyo okulaba ku bikolwa byabwe bwe baba ddala kituufu ng'eggwanga balilumirirwa, bateekewo ebikolwa ebiraga nti eggwanga balilumirirwa. Naye kinjagadde okulaga nti bebamu ku bakulembeze bagenda mu maaso n'okubanga bafuna omusala mu gavumenti ya Mwami Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ate ne basigala nga bagivumirira. Ate oluusi weesanga nga n'ebintu bibavumirira nabo babyenyigiramu. Kati awo munnansi n'abeera confused nnyo. So kitegeeza ki? Nti gwe munnansi olina okusalawo ng'osalawo ekintu ekibenefitinga ggwe, so si ekintu ekikomanningiddwa abantu abalala. kola kyolaba ekikubenefitinga ekiyamba eggwanga lyo gwe nga ggwe. Oli ku Yugi Updates TV, sigenda kweyongerayo, mbaagala nnyo, mweraba.